Do you want to drink the treated produced water from New Mexico's oil and gas drilling processes? Last year, the New Mexico Oil and Gas Association advocated for a rule that would have allowed treated oil and gas waste to be reused for industrial purposes and eventually for reuse water.
We have delegated authority to the Water Quality Control Commission to draft rules. They went through rulemaking to deal with produced water. The rule concluded that there was no scientific evidence that using treated or untreated water was safe.
That rule is currently under appeal, but last month the WQCC voted to allow another hearing on the topic from a new industry group called the Water Alliance.
Same facts, same parties, even though the current rule, which was just adopted, hasn't even finished the process yet. And they're coming back for another rulemaking. So I think that's inappropriate.
A 2022 study of produced water from the Permian Basin showed an average of 237 picocuries per liter of radium-226 were present. The EPA defines a liquid waste stream as radioactive when that level is 60 picocuries per liter. This means the untreated produced water can officially be labeled as radioactive waste.
It's nasty stuff. It's not something you can just release or spread on the land. It needs to be treated. Since it's full of chemicals and contaminants, it would be bad to put on crops where it would contaminate the soil.
The industry will argue they're improving their methods of treatment, but there's no scientific evidence concluding what is considered a safe level for all of these chemicals.
It would be bad to inject into drinking water aquifers because it would end up coming back up for drinking water purposes.
It can also explode out of the earth at high volumes because of the enormous pressure from being injected underground. Speaking of explosions,
New Mexico, it's a testing ground for nuclear bombs.
Paul Pino is a volunteer with the Tularosa Basin Downwinders Consortium, responsible for helping to pass the Radiation Exposure Compensation Act. So he knows a thing or two about growing up on lands polluted by industry.
It's a place where they manufacture nuclear bombs. It's a place where they want to produce fracking waste and turn it into drinking water for us. We could get some of that produced water that they want to give us, and we could have it tested by 2 scientists. I'd like to set glasses of it in front of them and all their families and watch them drink it.
It remains to be seen whether or not this new petition leads to a rule where the waste winds up in our drinking water supply. But what's clear from their own Instagram ads is they are trying to sell its use as crucial to our water supply.
As a layman and a person that grew up on a ranch that knows how vital water is, whenever it rained, it's like a miraculous time. Water is the most important thing around here, period. The people that support this should be ashamed of it. And if our governor is in favor of this, I love her, but man, she is wrong.
If this issue is a concern to you, you can attend the WQCC monthly meeting on Tuesday, August 12th at 9 a.m. in room 307 here at the Roundhouse, where a decision on whether or not to move forward with the water petition will be addressed.